Chicken Vermicelli Tomato Pasta Casserole or ginger chicken tomato vermicelli pasta bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the tomato casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the pasta recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the chicken recipes and one of the most delicious of the boiled chicken recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the tomato casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the tomato pasta recipes. We're going to make ginger chicken tomato vermicelli pasta soup. We have taken around 100 to 150 grams of chicken pieces cleaned thoroughly in turmeric water, around 100 grams of vermicelli pasta, around 20 to 25 shallots, 15 grams of garlic, 1 green chili, around 2 sprigs of mint leaves, 25 to 30 grams of ginger, salt to taste, 2 tomatoes cut into pieces, and around 2 to 3 sprigs of cilantro leaves. Pour in 10 ml oil, put in the shallots and the garlic, salt thoroughly, keep on sauteing. Put in the ginger, salt the ginger and the shallots and the garlic together. Cover this hot mix. Put in the cilantro leaves and the mint leaves and salt to taste. Put in the tomato pieces. Thoroughly salt and mix. Keep on sauteing. Put in the chicken pieces. Thoroughly salt and mix. Put in a spoon of chili powder. Mix thoroughly. Pour in 200 to 300 ml of water. Mix. Close and cook for 35 to 40 minutes. For the required time. Open. Now put in the vermicelli pasta. You can use any type of pasta. Mix. Now let the mixture boil. Thoroughly mix and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. The ginger chicken tomato vermicelli pasta is ready and can be put in green chili. Mix. Now the ginger chicken tomato vermicelli pasta casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. Ginger chicken tomato vermicelli pasta casserole, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vermicelli recipes and one of the most unique of the pasta recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the chicken recipes and one of the most unique of the tomato casserole recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the tomato soup recipes and one of the most unique of the vermicelli pasta recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.